everybody. It's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout. Very obviously a two-page layout today. So this was a winter concert that my three oldest grandkids were involved in at their school, and you'll be seeing a lot of Christmas scrapbooking coming up right now, which is mid-April when I'm doing these voiceovers. I'm really working on trying to get through my Christmas scrapbooking. So over the next couple months, you're going to see quite a few Christmas layouts. So hopefully you're further into that than I am, but I found out that I had a lot more Christmas to do than I thought. So let's get back to the layout. That polka dot paper, that green polka dot paper is Echo Park Happy Holidays Seasonal Stripes. And then the red paper there is Bella Boulevard Hearts and Ombre Macintosh, which is what they call their red. And then I put a 3x4 journaling card there from Ellie's Studio, and that came from one of the December documented packs. I don't know which one because I mixed them all up. I just put them in and use them year over year over year. So they usually have some sort of Christmas concert or kind of that kind of a thing, singing thing in each of the packs, and that's where this is coming from. So obviously it's Christmas. They call it their winter concert because of course you can't say that Christmas anymore, but they do sing Christmas songs at it, which I always find interesting. Anyway, so I'm doing this red and green. They're dressed up in Christmas colors. So it's my three oldest grandkids, and then my oldest grandson with his best friend on the left, and then pictures of each of the kids when they were singing, and my grandson on the bottom right there, my oldest grandson, had his first solo. So that was kind of fun. So now that I'm not going to do these, like they're going to sit in mats separately on each of the pages. And I'm thinking right now that I'm going to put something under it. I'm thinking a striped paper, but I have to kind of get some of the decoration done to know where they need to sit, if that makes any sense. So the one on the right side, that mat is pretty big, so I need to figure out how that's going to sit before I kind of put anything under it to see what it's going to look like space wise on the page. That's why I haven't done that. So I'm adding in die cuts here. Just the paper die cuts and that frame are all coming from Echo Park Happy Holidays. It's the ephemera pack. And then I have, the Fa La 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 wood veneer is, or not the Fa La La, yeah, the Fa La La wood veneer is Ellie's Studio, as is that Fa La La on the top right cluster, and then that on the top left with the paper die cut from Echo Park, that wood veneer is from Color Cast Designs. So they're a little bit from a couple different places. I just added the frame in that is again on the bottom that I'm just taking out, and I'm going to put that on the top because the plaid and the stripe was fighting each other. So I'm going to put that up on the top, and that's another one of those pieces from the Echo Park Happy Holidays. And that Fa La La then on the bottom with It's the Happiest Season of All is from Echo Park. And then what I did is I grabbed this striped paper, which again is the Happy Holidays seasonal stripes. So it's the back side of the green dot paper. And this is why I was waiting. I actually am making this pretty, it's about a half and half layout. So it's about a 6 by 6. And I don't remember what was going on there. I think it wasn't straight, or there was something wrong with it. So I took it off. That made me nervous too. There is a little bit of a mar in the paper, but it wasn't enough that I'm going to, sweat it too badly. It is what it is. They have thousands of layouts. One little thing like that isn't too bad. Once I get it all glued down, it's not too bad. Okay, so I kind of like how I'm using the frames here, and this is how I use frames more often than not. I rarely use them for anything to do with a photo. I usually use them as kind of the background or the starting point for an embellishment cluster. So that's what I'm doing here, and I kind of like the way the embellishment clusters bounce from top left, bottom right, top right. So, and actually, if you consider the you'll see this, it's actually top left, bottom right, and then spoiler, there's going to be one by the Christmas concert journaling card. So bottom left, top right. So it kind of bounces you across that page. I talk about that diagonal across a single page all the time. And now I'm kind of making your eye flow through the entire page this way with embellishment clusters. You can see I don't have the same things in every cluster by any means, but I'm putting some wood somehow. So there you go. I just pulled that Fa La La wood there, and that is from Echo Park. Is now that I think about it, the big Fa La La wood veneer on the left is from Color Cast Designs as well too. I think I said that was Ellie's Studio. Sorry about that. Then I added that I'll be home for Christmas phrase sticker, and that came from the Echo Park Happy Holidays sticker book. Just kind of popping in some things that might have meaning. I just realized I never did glue down that picture on the bottom right very well, so it's actually coming up off the page. Some of those things happen as I'm going back through. All right, kind of getting that all added in. And then what I'm going to do now is just add in some enamel dots, and those are coming from the Echo Park Happy Holidays enamel dots from the collection, and I'm working on using up that particular sheet, so that'll be nice. Not that I don't have plenty of other enamel dots, but sometimes I'll buy them, or I'll get a collection pack, some sort of collection pack thing, and then the colors match exactly, so that is kind of nice. But then I like to have them gone when I'm done with the collection because otherwise they sit around and I forget I have them. Okay, so just adding, and I'm doing blue and pink just to bring in some of those colors that are in the die cuts there. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.